Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a crazy candid video. I'm pretty much doing this on my skin right now, and I just want to show you guys the effects of using aloe vera and turmeric on your skin for 5 days. So I am doing a 5-day challenge because my skin situation is really bad. I will update you guys on my skin, but if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscription box below so you never ever miss a video from me. If you are new around here, I'm a pharmacist and a skincare and beauty lover. I share heaps and heaps of not only like DIYs but random beauty videos. I try a lot of products, so make sure you do stick around because I love having you guys here. So let's give you an update on my skin. So my skin is actually looking really poor for, you know, the amount of treatments that I do and the amount of care I give it. So this is my skin and I'm gonna update you guys. Firstly, I don't know what's going on. It looks like I'm getting some reaction, cold sore or something. The other thing is my nose is completely broken out and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 pimples in a row. My nose is extremely oily, as you can see, and I don't have oily skin. I've got extremely dry, sensitive skin. So this is really strange for me because I barely get pimples, and when I do, they just go away really quickly. The other thing I'm having is these sort of like little pimples and just a lot of marks around my face, and it's just really annoying because I want to get rid of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying aloe vera and turmeric to my skin every single night for 5 days, and I'm going to hope that it heals my skin, and I'm going to show you guys the effects. So what I'm actually using is fresh aloe vera. This is from my aloe vera plant, and I actually just extracted so much aloe vera because I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera every single day. And I'm using turmeric, which is like 100% turmeric. You can find this at any grocery store, and I recommend using 100% turmeric. And make sure that it doesn't have any colors added to it, and also make sure you do a patch test before you use aloe vera and the turmeric. One thing I want to mention is, first of all, if you haven't watched my aloe vera extracting video, if you've got a plant, make sure you watch it. And the other thing is, you don't want to use the yellow liquid that comes out of the aloe vera because that will irritate your skin. So what we're going to do is I'm going to wash my face, I'm going to apply this mask, and I'm going to show you how it looks, and then I will update you every single day and we will take it from there. Let's pray that my skin really heals because it needs a lot of help. The other thing I want to tell you guys, disclaimer, is I'm not going to be using any active products, and I'm not going to be using any like products with anything in it like vitamin C or anything that can amplify or, you know, ruin the effects of the aloe vera. I'm just going to use a basic cleanser and a basic moisturizer. That's it. I'm only adding hydration to my skin. So let's make the mask and I will show you how it looks. It kind of looks like snot, right? Okay, so I would actually recommend blending it up in a blender if you've got a blender before applying it, just to get the smoothest paste like possible, and then apply it to your skin. I'm gonna be applying it all over my face, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes as well because, okay, definitely blend it out because, you know, if you don't want weird things hanging from your face. So one thing I want to mention is don't add too much turmeric because turmeric, I don't know, I get really irritated skin with too much turmeric, so I always put less turmeric. But it's best to start with little because it can definitely stain your face. Okay. So good morning guys, it is day 3 of me applying aloe vera and turmeric. So yesterday I was trying to film at night, but I really was so exhausted, but I still rubbed the aloe vera and turmeric on my face. So I thought I would document how it looks the day after. So what I did last night was I just rubbed it all over my face, and then I washed it, and then, you know, I went to bed. I left it on for 10 minutes like I did the first day, and guys, I'm not even kidding, my skin is feeling amazing. First of all the dryness that I had around my chin is gone, and I want to show you guys this one. Like, can you guys see the major difference on my nose? I remember, like, you know, day 1 how crusty it was. So what actually happened was last night when I applied the aloe vera and when I was taking it off, it literally peeled off, and even the top of my nose, all the pimples and stuff, they are just peeling. I don't know like how it's peeling. It just felt like there was a big clog of like dead skin on it. So all that is literally coming off. I don't see a major difference over here. I feel like it is getting a little bit better, but this one is definitely gone. So I just want to show you my skin. I don't have anything on it. This is just my clean skin, and today I'm going to do the aloe vera in the morning. So I'm just going to apply it right now and then wash it off. I'm actually headed to work, so I thought I would just like give you guys an update. Sorry about my dark circles. But yeah, honestly guys, I feel like my skin's texture is so much smoother. My skin is looking so much cleaner, and it just I know it's still a little bit red and stuff, but I feel like it looks so much clearer than 2 days ago. I will show you guys a comparison in the end as well. So I'm just gonna apply my mask and then we will just wash it off, and I will update you guys tomorrow on day 4. So this is my aloe vera. By the way, if you're confused about how I'm storing the aloe vera, I'm actually putting it in my fridge. So what you can do, and what I actually highly recommend that you do, is you freeze it, and then that way it will be preserved for ages. So freezing is good. Oh, one thing I noticed I was going to tell you guys is that my nails, they are a bit stained yellow, so you know, just be careful. The nails on this hand were stained yellow yesterday, and then my other hands, you know, fine. That's just Immy down there. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna, you know, massage this on my face, and as you can see, I didn't put as much turmeric today. There is turmeric in this, but not as much as day 1 because of the nail staining. But my nose, I feel like, is really improving, and I'm so happy because it was just, yeah, really stressing me out. So I'm just gonna leave this on. I'm gonna wash this out, and then I will update you guys tomorrow. First of all, I can see that, like, you know, my acne scars are not getting that much better. So that makes sense because it does take time for, you know, scars and stuff to heal. But I've noticed a massive difference on my nose. And I'm going to show you tomorrow. I'll do a before and after because tomorrow is the 5th day. But I feel like my nose has really improved. So the redness that I had on my nose and the pimples, they've actually gone, and it's actually flat. It looks like little red dots still, but it's actually so much better. There's no pus, and I had like a really bad irritation and pimples. I don't know what I had over here, and that's actually peeled away as well, and it's so much better. The other thing I've noticed is my skin is just clearer. I don't know. I'm not wearing makeup right now just to show you my skin. My skin has been really bad, like hormonal and everything lately. So this is the best my skin has been in ages. So my forehead, and I just feel like my skin is really clear. If I was to put on makeup right now, it would look flawless. So this is day 4's update. I will update you tomorrow, and I will show you how much I've got left, because honestly guys, I've got so much of the mask left that it's, yeah, I feel like I'm going to be using it for ages. I'm going to put it in my hair and just do so much with it, but I only used like 3 plants to extract the aloe vera anyways. So yeah, this is my day 4 update. I am so incredibly like shocked about my nose because it's literally so much better. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention is the dry skin I actually had. Like, I had really dry flaky skin everywhere. Like, I had dry flaky skin here, and then on my nose as well. Gone. Literally, I don't have any moisturizer on even right now. It's just like my raw skin. This is it. Like, it's so much better. So I'm super excited to share day 5 with you guys tomorrow, and we will do a day 1 and day 5 comparison. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is day 5 today, and I just want to show you guys my skin because I am literally in shock about the results. So I've pretty much just woken up like 2-3 minutes ago, and I thought I'm gonna make a video straight away because I want to show you how my skin looks like after I wake up the next day. And this is like how glowy it looks. I don't have any products on my skin. This is just the way it looks from the aloe vera. So as you can see, my nose has completely healed. It's still a little bit red, but it is just like so much better than the first day. This scar doesn't feel like it's healed, but overall my skin looks insane. I only applied aloe vera for 4 days total because I applied it, you know, every single night or the morning, and this is the results. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply right now as well, but I just want to show you guys the effects in just 5 days. Especially like after the first or second day, I feel like my nose started healing and my dry skin actually just fell right off in the shower. Oh, and I want to share a story with you guys. So yesterday I was at work, and so last week I had this lady come in. I'm a pharmacist, by the way, if you don't follow me properly. So this lady came in with a really bad rash. Started from here and it was like all on her bottom half of her face, and it was like bright red, guys. The doctor gave her some medication which was like really expensive, and she couldn't afford it, obviously, because she was just like trying to ask me what she can apply. I told her to use aloe vera, and 1 week later, well, it's been 1 week, it's completely gone, guys. So if you haven't used this magical treatment, I would so recommend it. It is just like insane. I can't believe the effects that this has on your skin. And I'm gonna probably get questioned about how to consume it, like if you have to lose weight or if you want to drink it up. So all you need to do is blend it up in a blender, and then you just pretty much drink it. You just add a little bit of water, and then you can just drink it straight like how it is. But make sure that you're not drinking any of the like aloe, which is the yellow parts. And if you haven't watched my video which is like how I extract aloe vera, definitely don't miss that. So I'm really amazed at the results. My skin is totally calmed down from the reaction last week, and it just feels so soft and smooth. My makeup is going on better, my pimples have healed, and I haven't done anything but applied aloe vera and turmeric, guys. So I highly recommend doing my 5-day challenge of aloe vera and turmeric. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook, oh my god, that went in my eye, definitely do so. I post on everything daily. And I'm gonna go off and wash my eye. Take care, guys. Make sure you hit the subscription box if you haven't already followed me. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my clear skin, and I'm gonna pop a before and after right here. See you guys. Yeah, so this is my situation over here. What the hell? Okay, and then I've got some like pimples which are pretty much just popping up. This one is pretty much just died. I had a massive one right there, and on my forehead, and also on my chin I have a whole lot of pimples.